Hi there. Have you ever felt like everything is going according to your plan? No chaos, no stress, just smooth sailing. That's a real feeling when you have a clear roadmap and know exactly what to do. In a world overflowing with information where every day feels like a battle, it's amazing to have a tool that makes everything simpler to understand. Hi, my name is Nathan and I've been in trading for 8 years. During this time, I realized that to get real results, you need to act based on clear algorithms, not luck. Over the past 9 months, my team and I have been developing a tool that now helps me not just stay afloat in this sea of information, but actually know where I'm going and how to get there. This tool doesn't throw a million options at you. It gives you a clear, actionable guidance on where to focus and how to respond effectively. Time is an asset, and I'm not here to waste it on endless overthinking. All we need is to follow a clear path and make smart decisions. In this video, I'll show you how this tool works. This might be the moment you realize just how important it is to have a digital assistant like this, so you don't waste time on mistakes and can move forward quickly and confidently. Ready to level up and start taking real action? Then watch closely, we're starting now. Before we jump in, I want to give you access to my smart assistant. It helps me break down complex things, analyze all kinds of data, and even suggest fresh ideas. In my community, you will not only get free access to this assistant, but also connect with others who use it daily. No need to figure it all out alone. Just follow a few simple steps. Every day, members of our community use this assistant to do things they once thought were impossible. And now you have a chance to join them. But here's the deal. Access will be open only until we reach a group size where I can personally work with each person. It's important to me that every member sees the true value this assistant can bring. So spots are limited, and don't worry if this is all new to you. I designed the tool to be beginner-friendly for anyone who's curious and ready to grow. So hit the pause on this video right now, click the link in the pinned comment and join our community. See for yourself how technology can help you. Alright, let's keep going. So, my assistant says we should go down. Let's do it. Looking at the chart, we had an uptrend earlier, but then the market stalled and entered a sideways movement. There was a strong breakout downwards from that range. I can see the sellers are pushing hard, and we've joined in on that move. Nice start. Let's keep going. On this pair, the AI bot also suggests going down. Alright, the price hit a new high and then started to pull back. The bearish candles look strong, so I expect the pullback to reach around the 0.912 level. I'm going down. The assistant is helping, but we can't relax. It's already analyzed the next pair. Let's take a look. Okay, now it's recommending we go up. I won't argue. Let's go with it. I see that after the drop, the price touched the support level and bounced. Now we're seeing a second approach to that level. And I expect another bounce upwards. Most likely the market will continue moving up. Let's watch. Awesome. As you can see, even though the assistant gives helpful input, I always double check it. That's a key part of the process. What do you think so far about what you've seen? This tool helps analyze large stream of information, and what I love most is how it automates some pretty complex processes. In all the time I've spent analyzing different kinds of data, I've realized that today it's not just about reading charts. To be confident in your decisions, you need a tool that can process more data than any human and do it faster. That's why I went searching for a way to spend less time analyzing and more time making calm, focused decisions. As a result, such a smart assistant appeared. My team and I built it over nearly a year, powering in everything I've learned. It looks at different factors, compares situations, and helps make thoughtful decisions. No stress, no rush, no guesswork. And now you can try it for yourself. In my community, I've made access to this assistant completely free. Once you join, I'll personally reach out and show you how to use it. I'm always ready to help, whether it is answering your questions or walking you through how to set up and use a tool for whatever you are interested in. Access is available now, but remember, I help each new member personally, which means spots are limited. If you want to get in while it's still open, click the link in the pinned comment now. Let's keep going. Let's move on to the next pair. The assistant suggests we go up. Perfect. We're joining a strong uptrend. The price is moving up without pullbacks, and we're jumped into that move. Nice. The rally continues and the assistant is doing a great job. Let's keep going. Looking ahead, the setup looks simple. The bot says to go down. Got it. After the impulse move, the price keeps heading lower with minor pullbacks. We're following the trend. Let's see. Great. Predictable, but in this field, that's a good thing. And we've already got an analysis for the next pair. The assistant advises going down again. As I said, the price approached a level and made a small bounce. Now we're seeing pressure building against the level. A downward breakout looks likely. Let's keep an eye on it. Alright, time to wrap this up. Got a new notification. Going down again. Okay? As mentioned earlier, a deep correction started and the price reached a key mirror resistance level. I'm expecting a bounce down and a continuation of a downtrend. What do you think of this assistant's performance? Impressive, right? I'm happy with it. So, you've just seen what my tool can do. It handles tasks that normally take people hours and a ton of stress. My team and I worked on it for 9 months. And we didn't build it for the hype, we built it to replace chaotic analysis with a clear, simple system that anyone can use. And now, this tool is available for you. Not someday, right now. Members of my community are already using it every day, growing, sharing results, and finally taking back their time. You can be one of them, or keep telling yourself I'll figure it out later. Spoiler alert, later doesn't work. Real progress starts with action. And if you want to go beyond where you are now, this tool, the one you just saw in action, can help you do exactly that. And yes, I explain everything in simple terms, even if you're just starting out. All you need is your phone and a bit of time. But here's the catch. I personally help every new user, which means I cannot take in unlimited people. If you wait too long, you might miss your chance. Wanna in? While access is still open, then click the link in the pinned comment and join. From here, it's up to you. Either you join us or you keep standing still. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you inside the community. Bye for now.